Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix T-Mobile access point blinking, LED status, internet and reboot guide. Fix 1 is restart the access point. Unplug the power cable from the access point, then wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the power cable back in, then wait a few minutes for the device to restart. Check if the blinking light has stopped. Second one is check the internet connection. Make sure your T-Mobile internet gateway or modem is turned on. Check that it has an active internet connection. Restart the gateway if it is offline. Then wait until the gateway is fully connected. Then check the access point again. Third one is move the access point. Place the access point closer to the T-Mobile gateway, then keep it away from thick walls, metal object and large electronic devices. Wait a few minutes for the signal to improve. Then check whether the blinking light changes to a steady light. Fourth one is reset the access point. Find the reset button on the device, then press and hold it for about 10 seconds. Release the button and wait for the access point to restart. Then set up the device again if required. Fifth one is check the power connection. Make sure the power adapter is firmly plugged in, then check that the whole wall outlet is working. If possible, plug the access point into a different outlet. See if the LED lights become steady after reconnecting the power. Thanks for watching.